How's the T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Before we start, I want to say thank you to those that watch this channel on a regular. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the support that every single one of you have given to this channel so far. I really thank you guys. But I'm here to ask you guys for a little bit more. You see, there's 1,090 of us in this family and only 109 of us got the notification bells turned on. Now I'm asking the rest of you, what is your excuse? I'm not asking for a paid subscription. I'm not asking you to give me your money. All I ask is that you turn on your notification bell so when the video is released, you will be notified and watch the videos. That's all. It takes a lot to make these videos, especially since we all have everything else that we're doing in our lives and our regular work and all that stuff. If there's something you don't like on this channel, if there's something you think I can improve on, and if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, so let me know. That's what the comment section is for. Let's continue. Our subject for today is the Soundcore R100 by Anker. Alright, this is the Soundcore R100 True Wireless Earbuds by Anker. Some of the features include a 6.5 hour playtime from the single charge of the ear tips, 25 hours with the charging case, something called a BassUp Technology. It also offers clear calls via 2 mics, IPX5 water resistant rating, which means it can deal with sweating, it can deal with a bit of water sprinkling, but it will not be immersed. Immerse it in water, it is done. Alright, let's pop this open and get on with the unboxing. Nice small capsule like shape. I like it. It's very good, feels good in the hand. This is cool. Alright, USB Type-C charging case underneath, and next to it right here, I don't know if this is visible, but next to it right here is a reset button. It's a reset button. So if you want to reset your connection to your device or from the earbud, you put the earbuds in and you long press. I think you press this for 2 minutes, I think. Right here. I said 2 minutes, sorry. Well, you press this for 2 seconds for a reset. Okay? Not 2 minutes. That's a whole lot of pressing. Not 2 minutes, just 2 seconds. We've got a Soundcore logo right here, and that's about it. This is nice. I like it. Well, before we go any further, you know how we do. It's the shake test time. Time for us to know if it's if the magnet is good and if this is getting the proper charge. Let's make sure it's not wobbly in there. Alright, there you go. It is getting a good charge. Alright, strong magnet. You can feel it. Alright, let's go ahead and pop this out. Alright, similar design to most earbuds, you know, with the stem. Now in some earbuds, I think this one also the ear tips play a lot of roles. Aside the fact that it also helps with a bit of noise reduction, it also helps with the fit in your ear. When you put this in, the ear tips does help you with the fit. Well, I like it. It's simple. No need to invent the wheel. On here is the control button and not a touch control. So that means if you want to operate this, you have to press a button and not just tap it. Underneath, we've got the 2 charge plates and a mic hole. Nice. Alright, this is good. Let us fit this and let us see how it fits. Awesome. Wow, okay, as you can see, it is very, very, very comfortable. Extremely comfortable. Wow. It is amazing how comfortable it is. It is not poking in your ear. It is not it's not feeling like it's been pushed inside my ear. It's anchors right here at the side here. It really anchors nice and tight. It is really, really good. It feels really good. And I think it'll withstand running. I think it would withstand any vigorous activity you need to do with this on. It is really, really comfortable. I like it. I really do like it. Wow. All right. That is good. Wow. All right. That was good. Those are a good, comfortable fit. Let us pair these to our device and see how it works. I always follow one style. If you watch my videos, you would know exactly how I do it. First, I always pop it back in the box. Every time I put it back in the charge case, and then I take them out of the charge case and I give them some time to pair to each other. I take that time to set up my device. And now I'm ready to pair. I do a scanning and I look for the device right here. And it's paired. 100% battery remaining. It's paired up right here. So this is 100% easy way to pair your device without sweating. Now I get these questions a lot. Oh, I'm using this and just one ear speaking and the other is not. This is the reason why. You don't give them enough time to connect to each other first. The left has to connect to the right if the right is the primary. The left has to connect to the right, and then you're able to pair. That way, if the earbuds support you using one ear at a time, then you've got that connection. It'll work seamlessly. Alright, good. Now that we've paired this, I'm going to listen to some music and you know, maybe play a game or two or something, but I'm just going to use this earbud for a few minutes and I'll tell you what it sounds like. I'll be back. Now, after listening to some music with this, let me tell you, very few earbuds over time, very few budget earbuds over time have impressed me like this. This is impressive. Now, some budget earbuds would not have the bells and whistles when it comes to controls, but the sound will be very, very good. And others would have all the bells and whistles, but the sound, horrible. But this has got very good sound. It is rich. It is clear. The highs, amazing highs, awesome lows. This is good. This is good when it comes to sound. Whether you're gaming, whether you're listening to music or watching movies, this is very good. Now, the BassUp technology in this is amazing. It is very good. It's like it's like it's something pops open in your ear and you feel and you hear all the sound, all different kind of new tones rushing in. It is amazing. I'm not a bass head. I'm not a bass head by any means, okay? I'm not one of those people that like the thumping and all the stuff with the bass in your head, because I feel like it drowns out the rest of the sound. But this doesn't do that. It doesn't do that. Now, I feel like when you, not that I feel, I noticed that when you turn it up all the way up, it's a little bit of distortion, but you really have to be looking for it. It has to be, and the only way I found it, or I discovered it, was because I was looking for it. I wanted to see what happens when you turn it all the way up. Now, if you turn it all the way up, you're definitely going to hear a little bit of distortion of the sound. Just a little bit. But it's if you're not paying attention, you probably would not notice it. Okay? And when you're gaming with this, there's a little bit of a lag, just a little bit, like a few microseconds. If you're not paying attention, you will not notice it either. So it is very good for a budget earbud. This is very impressive. I encourage you, if you want it, if you're looking for this, get it. It's worth the buy. Wow, this is amazing. I love the sound. Wow. Okay, let's continue. So on this menu, we've got several control instructions here. We've got the pause and play. We've got the music skip. We've got answering calls. We've got a volume control, equalizer, and the mono system, like when you're using just one earbud at a time. That is a mono. Now we're not going to test every single control here. We're just going to test the basics. So on the right earbud, to pause and play, you press twice. Press the control button twice to pause and play. Right there. Hope I'm getting a good angle. Yes. Pause and play on the right. You press twice, you get to pause and play. Speak to the previous track on the right. You press and hold for 2 seconds on the right to skip to the previous song. See, right there. 2 seconds, it'll skip to the previous song. Now, to go to the next track, you take on the left, hold for 2 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds to the next track. So that is good. Now to increase the volume on the right, you press once. You press once, and the volume increases. And to decrease the volume, you press once on the left. It decreases. All right, like I said earlier on, we've got other controls here that you can look up in your own time if you do get these earbuds, which I think you should. If you really want one, I think you should get it. But I'm going to use this for some time, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you my observations about it. But so far, wow, so far it is worth every penny. Worth every penny. Was this cents we say these days? We don't say penny anymore. Yeah, worth every cent. This, get them. If you want them, get them. Alright, I'll be back with my observations and I'll let you know. So after using this for a while, just to make sure that everything we tested will work very well over time, I can tell you this, okay? Very great for exercise. That if you're wearing this and you're exercising, maybe running, whatever it is that you do, it is very great. It's not going to slip out of your ear. I use the smallest size ear tip because that's what fits me. Depends on you, whatever fits you. You can change the ear tips and use what fits you. But if you have it on, it is not going to slip out of your ear, so you do not have any fear. Do not fear about that. Call quality, absolutely amazing. It was clear. I could hear. They could hear me. It was very clear. Now there's a little bit of noise reduction in it. It's not a lot, but it's a little bit of it. it reduces the noise just a little bit. I'm guessing maybe that is just the function of the ear tip. Maybe if you're using the proper ear tip on your side, the right size of ear tip for you, it will help with a bit of noise reduction. So look into that. Now on a single charge, I got 6 hours on a single charge, not 6.5 hours, and I got 24 hours from the charging case, not 25 hours. So in the total, I got 30 hours. Connectivity was very steady, very clear, over 12 meters. 12 meters, not 10, not 15, 12. Well, those are my observations. If there's something else I'm forgetting, ask me in the comment section and I'll respond. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. Please give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, give it a thumbs up anyway. You are not hurting anybody. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. I appreciate you guys. I want to know what you think about the videos. If there's something you want me to improve on or something you'd like to see change in this channel, put it in the comment section. And if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, maybe something you want me to review, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll get to it. Alright? Until next time, take care.